Hi, John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Abiodun. Abiodun's been trading with us from the 10th of May 2021 up until the present date of review, 14th of June 2021. This is his journey. He's maintained a daily rate of 0.14%, a monthly gain of 4.23%, and a drawdown total of 4.72%. And as we can see, the journey, he's maintained the balance and his account's grown consistently over a period of time till he hit his 10%. So looking down to see how he's achieved it, we can see he's had a total of 45 trades. And out of the 45 trades, we can see he's won 33 out of 45, which represents a 73% positive gain, and lost 12 out of 45, which represents 27%. So overall, he's 73% effective in making his decisions, getting accurate trades right, and 27% wrong with his trades, but overall, he's hit his 10%. Looking at the summary of trades taken, he's only traded one pair in particular, which is the pound US dollar. He has a total of 31 trades on the long side and a total of 45 trades on the short side. So combined together, he's made 257.1 pips, which has helped him achieve 10%. So looking down at some of the random trades taken in the history, we can see he's traded the pound pair quite a few times. The average pip gain is between 2 pips to 70 pips, and as you can see, he's actually started trading the new account as well, and he's been consistent with some gains and a few losses, but overall in profit. Just one thing I like to highlight as well, we can highlight the discipline in where he's always used a stop loss in place to achieve his goals, and again, more importantly, he's had a take profit level as well in place, which is good housekeeping and good money management. A very good technique that will stop him being exposed to excessive losses or market manipulations. So well done and congratulations on that. And the most important thing is the market analytics. His percentage gain from the period he started. He started in May and ended with 9.74% in May, and in June which is the current month, he's down by minus 4.34%. So this is a great attempt. Congratulations on achieving your 10%. And I do challenge you to improve as a trader and try and reduce your loss rate, maybe by 2 to 3%, and try and increase your strike rate by another 2 to 3%. So that will definitely put you in a better situation and also enhance your confidence moving forward, going on to manage the next level, which is 60,000 US dollars. Well done.